I'm going to make herb rice with burnt garlic and mushroom sauce. Hello everyone, welcome to KitchenTube HD. Can you look at this cute monkey? This was gifted to me by Rehna Abdul Rahim, and thank you so much for him. I love him very much. I met her in the mall and she gifted me this. So thank you very much. I every day sleep with it. First I'm going to make the mushroom sauce. Let's add the butter. Spoon. Let the butter melt. It's about to melt. Add garlic. Let me just put this aside. Bye monkey. Let's add garlic. Sizzling. Saute. Add the mushrooms. This smells very nice. Smells like Domino's garlic bread. Next, add salt and pepper. Pepper. Saute. Saute until cooked. It's cooked. I've sauteed for a couple of minutes. Let's add the Worcestershire sauce. I've added it. Saute for a couple of minutes. It's done. Let's add the cream. And the milk. Stir. Let it to boil. It's boiling. Let the sauce thicken a little more. The sauce is thickened. It's the right thickness. Now let's serve in a serving dish. This is very nice with herb rice and burnt garlic that I'll be making in the next episode. Whoa! Herb rice with burnt garlic.